Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix new Fortnite bugs. First, let's cover the essential initial steps. A simple restart of your game and device can often resolve many common issues by clearing temporary data. Also, ensure your internet connection is stable. A weak signal can cause unexpected problems. Finally, always check for and install any available game updates, as these often include crucial bug fixes from the developers. If the basic steps don't work, it's time for deeper troubleshooting. Use your game launcher to verify the integrity of your Fortnite files. This can repair corrupted data. Next, ensure your graphics drivers are fully updated to their newest version for optimal performance. Sometimes, lowering your in-game graphics settings can also alleviate performance-related bugs, especially on older hardware. Network issues are a common source of bugs. Always check the official Fortnite server status to ensure the game is online and not experiencing outages. If servers are fine, try resetting your router and modem. This often resolves connectivity problems. For a more stable experience, consider switching from Wi-Fi to a wired Ethernet connection, which can significantly reduce latency and packet loss. If the bug persists, it's crucial to report it. Contact Epic Games support directly, providing as much detail as possible, including screenshots or short video clips. This helps them understand and address the issue efficiently. Also, check community forums. Other players might have encountered the same bug and found temporary workarounds or shared valuable insights. Your detailed report helps everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.